What's up, everybody? We are in the Basin National Range. Basin Range National Monument, something like that. 4 hours north of Las Vegas. We're gonna film the layered meteor shower. We're gonna catch some fish, and well, at least that's the goal. And then see what other madness we can get into. Let's go. Ooh. All right, on the drive in, we noticed there's a couple of caves there, and there's a cave there. We're gonna go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out what we just found. No way. That means this was all underwater. Oh, we just smelled death coming down the hill, and it wasn't us. Oh my God. Yeah, I think it's a sheep. That's a little bit of what's left of it. I see it's just, oh, I can't even tell you the stench right now. There's the leg. I don't know if that's poop or what it ate. Definitely its intestines. There's just ribs. We're eating steak for dinner tonight. Yes. Oh. Oh.
Hey, buddy. You all right?
He's like, the disrespect. Lamb chops for dinner. Mary lost her lamb. No.
Mary had 2 little lambs.
Mary had 2 little lambs. This is one of them.
Look.
Is there another one?
There's something fuzzy down there.
Oh no. We gotta go check out the second one. Oh wow. Or is this the back half of it that blew off? It looked like it looks like it came from down the cliff and bounce. We saw little jagged rocks with fur and stuff on it. But yeah, there's more legs. Oh yeah. This is definitely the other half.
I was just gonna say, if we drag it back to camp, we've at least got somebody else to talk to.
Yeah. Something to keep. Oh yeah, there's another skull right there.
Mm-hmm.
You don't suppose it's like big eagles bringing it up here and then they're just picking it apart, right? They can grab it.
I would like to see that if that's the case.
Prehistoric times, you know what I mean? Pterodactyls bringing it up.
Pterodactyl. I look up in a pterodactyl's carrying a half to whatever these are over me.
That would look great in my backyard.
Take it.
All right, so down this valley, the wind's coming in this direction. So we got a flat spot up here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Got a flat spot up here, but the wind's kind of cruising down. So we're gonna choose this spot here. Have to build us a fire pit. That's guarding the wind, so we'll be nice and good. There you go. All right, well, so we were sitting here thinking about it. Obviously, an eagle's probably not going to carry up a big old sheep. Maybe they could, but anyways, we started thinking about it. Maybe it's a mountain lion. So we've decided that we're going to give them a warning shot to stay away because we don't want to die in our sleep tonight.
Leave us the hell alone!
So we were thinking that maybe it's not a mountain lion. We just heard a howl. Maybe it's a coyote. Or not a coyote, a wolf. So we gotta give him another warning shot.
A wolf? What the hell did this trip turn into? Trot.
Adam's calling me over. He spotted something.
Just walking, thinking about our mountain lion. This one caught my eye because it's a little bit bigger and not really like pronounced hoof. You know, like you can clearly tell the sheep prints. And then I was walking this way, and I saw this one and that one, and I can't see how it looks rounder.
Yeah.
So I just started. I literally stopped right there, but I was gonna keep going. That's when I called you.
That almost looks like it go in between the paws.
Yep, exactly. That's exactly what I thought. And then it comes up here as well. That's definitely a round. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Because the sheep is more.
Yes.
I mean,
square.
we picked up the foot. You know what I mean? It's more. It's more narrow. A sheep is gonna look, you know, more like that. You're gonna see that pronounced. You're gonna see the two. You definitely don't see that there. Over there. It's way too wide.
Hopefully the
Pieces of the puzzle are starting to come together.
hopefully these warning shots.
So we've been thinking about, there's got to be a mountain lion somewhere in this area. We just know it. A couple of sheep, got to be. So we're gonna hike up. There's a couple caves up here. A couple caves, so we're gonna go check them out. We're on the search for the mountain lion. We think we're close. So we're way down in that valley right there, if you can see it. up here looking. There's a couple caves up here.
There's more right here. 1, 2, 3, I think there.
Oh yeah.
It's about the size of.
Heading up towards the cave. Yeah, just in case.
There's just a pile of bones. Like,
Yeah. Couple of
Damn, this thing
hikers.
huge.
It is water. Oh, snap. There's no arguing that.
Yeah, buddy. Get a good one of that one right there. Meow. Ooh, look at this one right here.
Definitely,
Look right here.
definitely mountain lion.
Meow.
Oh, I just got super sick to my stomach. Good
What?
thing you have the rifle.
Trust me, I already looked in those crevices back there.
Look at that one, how clear the nails are.
Oh my god. Yep.
Our gut was
Look
right.
at this, look at this picture.
See, we started thinking about it. We saw a sheep driving in, and then we saw two others up in the same area. So we're like, is something dragging them here? And that's when we started theorizing. Look at that. Dripping. There's a super clear paw print up here. He's been sleeping up here somewhere. Oh, bet right here, dude. Or maybe that's where water's dripping, I don't know. Or maybe it's where he's coming to get something to drink. Look how clear that print is.
Oh yeah. That's very fresh. And what is this?
I think maybe it's just where it's dripping over and over.
Yeah.
I thought maybe it's where he was laying, but
What are these up here? It's random.
I don't know. I can't tell. Yeah, I think it's paw prints. It's
Yeah,
just
what's
they're
this one
kind
here?
of wore out.
Look at this one right here.
Oh yeah. That one's deep. So maybe this is where he's laying up.
I don't know that he laid in here.
Or this is where he's drinking because he's.
Yeah, coming to lick the walls or something.
All right, let's go check out the other cave.
Makes me wonder if they're attracted to any kind of regular food. We got our shit just sitting out. You know?
Oh yeah.
We should have measured that. Is there a way, can you,
Measure the paw print?
yeah, take a picture of your hand next to it or?
This one doesn't look as deep. That's just
This is a cool spot. Oh, look at this. It's been dripping.
Oh, look at that. Is that a bat? Is that a bat skull? Guy looks like a bat.
This is hollowed out all the way through. Wow.
Oh, there's all kinds of bones up in here. Something's been up in here chowing away. Mother. What was that?
There's a bat who's sitting right there.
It was?
Yeah. He's like, okay, I'm out. Okay.
Yes. Oh, he was a sneaky little guy. Now he's out in the sun, like going, ah!
I can't see.
All right, well, yeah, there's definitely a mountain lion in this area, so found a couple of sheep up there. There's actually one way down there. That's 3. We don't want to be 4 or 5, so we're gonna wrap that episode. Hopefully the night footage turned out good. Cleared up over the night, so didn't see too many ourselves. A couple handful of them, but yeah. So stay tuned to the next adventure. We're gonna go fishing. We're gonna go find a new spot, and we're gonna see what other crazy madness we can get into. All right, peace.